In this video, I'm breaking down the full process of creating a data set and generating realistic images from scratch. If you want a real starting point to enter the AI model niche, this is it. I'll show you exactly how everything works, step by step. In this module, we're going to talk about how to create a data set for a LoRA. First, what is LoRA? LoRA is a way to train a neural network for a specific task without retraining the entire model. We use LoRA to generate images and videos with a specific face and body that we need. To create a LoRA, we need a dataset. A dataset consists of around 30 images, each with a corresponding description. 10 images of the face, 10 images of the body, 10 images showing both face and body. I'll split this module into two parts. First, creating a unique model face. Second, building the dataset and training the LoRA. Let's not waste time. We'll start with creating the face and gathering the initial images for the dataset. Our tools will be Pinterest and WaveSpeed. First, go to Pinterest and find two faces that you like. Just search for something like girl's face aesthetic or girl's face and pick models you like. For example, here I found the first face. You can see it's AI generated, but that's completely fine for our purpose. If you like it, just download it. Then find a second face. Here's another one. I downloaded as well. Now we have two images. Next, go to WaveSpeed. After signing up, you'll get a small balance, around $1. On the main page, click Explore, then View All Models. Select C-Dream V4. You'll see two input windows. In the first window, remove the default reference, upload your first image, then click Add Item and upload the second image. Next, remove the default prompt. Open the PDF file I'll attach below this video. Copy the face merge prompt, paste it into the prompt field, then click Run. After a few attempts, you'll get a result. Once you have a face you like, download the result. Remove the old references. Upload your new generated face as the main reference. Now we move to generating dataset images. Go back to the PDF and start using the 5 prompts one by one. These prompts are designed specifically for building your dataset. Set the image size to 2000 by 3000. It doesn't increase the cost, but the quality will be much better. Generate images until you get results you're satisfied with. Each time, download the image, copy the next prompt, repeat the process. After generating all the images, create a folder. Name it with your trigger word. This is the word you'll use to call your model. Keep it short and simple. Put all images into this folder. Rename them in order. We already created the first 5 images. Now we need to complete the dataset by generating 5 more face images, 10 body images, 10 face plus body images. That gives us a total of 30 images. No more, no less. First, go to Pinterest. Search something simple like girls or girls aesthetic. Then just scroll and pick images you like. For example, I choose a photo. Download it. Next, go to ChatGPT or any alternative like Grok or DeepSeek. Doesn't matter. Upload the image, then paste the prompt from the guide I provided under this lesson and send it. You'll get a detailed description of the image. Just copy it. Now go to Genspark AI and use Nano Banana. Steps. Click plus. Select AI image. Upload the reference image, paste the generated prompt, then click Generate. You'll get a result image. There might be a watermark at the bottom. Ignore it. Just crop it. What matters? The face is clearly visible. No glare or reflections. Clean image. Even if the person is holding a phone, it's fine. Download the image. Now repeat the same process. Find a new image on Pinterest. Upload it to ChatGPT. Get the description. Generate in Nano Banana. Download. You need different poses, different angles, face plus body variations. Keep going until you reach 30 images total. Your images must be clean. No glare, no overexposure, no artifacts, no reflections. The better the dataset, the better your LoRA will perform. Once you've collected all 30 images, rename them in order from 1 to 30. Now create a TXT file for each image. Example, 1 JPG to 1 TXT, 2 JPG to 2 TXT. For each image, upload it to ChatGPT. Use the prompt from the guide. Get the description in tag format. Paste it into the corresponding TXT file. Inside each TXT file, replace the trigger word with your model name. In my case, it's Eva. This is important. This is how you will call your model later during generation. Repeat this for all 30 images. Make sure all text files are filled. Descriptions are correct. Everything is in tag format. No obvious mistakes. Do a quick scan. This prevents problems during training. Now, select all images and TXT files. Create a zip archive. Then go to wavespeed.ai. Add balance. Approximately $4 is enough. Search LoRA trainer. Select Z image LoRA trainer. Upload your zip file. Enter your trigger word, same as in TXT files. Set. Steps equals 3000. Wait until upload finishes. Then click Run. Training takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, you'll get your LoRA file. Download it. If you followed everything correctly, no bugs, no need to retrain. Clean results. Right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate photos with your AI model. First thing, we go to RunPod. Here's the model we need. Click Change Template and type Z-image here. Select it, and now go to Edit. Set 150 GB storage here. Don't overpay. This is more than enough for generating images. Everything else, just leave as default. Click Deploy. Now watch what's happening. The server is starting. Jupyter is loading. comfyui is not ready yet. Now go into Jupyter. Don't get confused by all these folders, and it's actually very simple. Go to Models, then LoRa's. This is where you upload your LoRA. Just drag and drop your file here. Now go back to RunPod. comfyui should be loaded. Open it. Now we need to load our workflow. Just drag and drop your JSON file here. Delete this node. Left click, then delete. Move this one a bit here. Click here, type LoRA, and select the model. Double-click again, type LoRA, and now choose your own model here. This one is your trained model. Set 0.85 here, 1.0 strength here. This is important. It makes sure the face and body stay consistent. Now just connect everything like this. And that's it. Your workflow is ready. Green box. This is your prompt. Red box. This is your negative prompt. First thing you write here is your trigger word, the name of your model, and also add Lenovo Z. That's the base model we're using. Quick tip, prepare 20 to 30 prompts in ChatGPT in advance. You're paying for RunPod time. Don't waste it. Now I'll just copy my prompt. Paste. Same with negative prompt. Also, don't forget to change resolution. If you want square, use 1000 by 1000. I don't, so I set 720 by 1080. First image takes about a minute, but after that, it's fast, like 10 seconds per image. Now it's simple. Paste prompt, then paste negative, then click generate. No need to touch anything else. Everything is already configured. Once you're done, go to Assets. All your images are here. Right-click, then Download. After that, close comfyui and close Jupyter. Click Stop, and then Terminate. Thanks for watching till the end. If you want the exact workflow I used in this video, it's in my Telegram channel. I've uploaded everything there. The full setup, all the examples, and a much easier way to build your dataset step by step. Plus, I'm constantly sharing new tips and better methods that I don't post on YouTube. If you're serious about this, go join. Link in the description.